Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. In today's video, you will be seeing how I reused some old pieces of cloth to make this beautiful jewelry. So let's get started. Take any piece of cloth, measure and cut it as per the size of the neck piece you need. Here I am taking a piece that is 32 inches long. Now cut the piece again, leaving 2 inches in width. Now stitch the cloth as shown to make the base of the necklace. We are going to use this as a base for the necklace. Take any cloth of 3 by 3 inches long. Stitch the cloth as shown. Now take a cloth piece and cut them like this. Now stitch one side of the cloth. Now attach this cloth to the piece which we made already. Now stitch it like this with the help of some thread to make a tassel. Make 9 tassels like this in the same way. 2 for earrings and 7 for the neck piece. Take the tassels we made along with some eye pins and jhumka hooks. Now insert the eye pin from below. Cut the extra pin and bend it using pliers, leaving some gap. Insert the jhumka hook in the gap and press it to close the loop. Repeat the process for the other one. Now I am taking a teardrop shaped kundans and sticking it on the earring. Here I am using fabric glue to stick it. Now the earrings are ready. First attach the tassels we made like this to the base using a needle and some thread. Now stitch the same using a sewing machine to make it strong. For covering the ends of the neck piece, I am stitching tassels like this. Using the same teardrop shaped kundans for the necklace. On the top, I am sticking round shaped kundans to carve the stitches that I made to stitch the tassels. So this is how it looks finally. You have to tie the necklace like this on the back to wear it. You can use the fabric of your dress and make the matching jewelry, or you can also reuse any old fabric. Let me know in the comment section how are you planning to make this jewelry. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.